ever out riding around and the lights go out all of a sudden in your 2012 through, what it is, 15?
16.
Around the same model year. You just run the store, grab you one. What that is? H1155. Make sure you keep your little tool set on y'all all times. You never know what may occur and when. Let me just take this little sucker out. Give me a little light. I don't exactly know. I'm just winging it right now.
I changed it for him.
You did?
One of them. I can't remember which one it was.
So you know more than me what you're saying. How you get it out? You just slide it?
You have to just put your hand in it. You don't really take it out. You just slide out enough to put your hand in there.
Can't be that hard 'cause I don't see no other screw nowhere. So what's holding it? Bring me a little light over here.
That little cap right there. It's a cap behind it.
Finger through there. See, there's a cover right there.
Let's get the cover off.
Off the back.
Right here.
Yeah.
Yep. Disconnected.
What is it down there?
I got nicks in my hand.
You know what I'm saying? Where you get it from? Right there?
It's here, right there.
Right there. Okay. OG person. See, your hand's smaller than mine. I couldn't have got in there. I would have had to take some more stuff off.
Come on here, buddy. That's one side. Ooh, it's hot on my hand.
Yeah.
There you go.
Hold on. Let me make sure.
Yeah, you gotta just pull it off the
Oh, this. Pull them little prongs to the side.
to pull it out.
Give me a little light over here. I hope I don't drop the actual wire.
No, that's it. You're gonna take that off of the.
Yeah, I know. That's what I'm saying. I don't want to drop the wire when it comes off of it. What was it? What was it?
I don't know.
I don't remember grabbing that.
That is the little thing, the little cap thing to go on top.
There's one on that side. You sweat?
The heat from your engine is a little hot.
It's that coastal air.
That's the engine air.
That little fucking won't come out that way. Let me see what that thing look like.
Yeah.
There was a clamp on the back of it.
Hold it.
Hold on. Baby crying.
This supposed to just pop off.
It's hard. It's stuck on there. I don't want to break it. Maybe it's
Fused on there from the
maybe
heat.
it's so hot on down here. It's just fucking locked on there. Oh my God.
There we go.
Good go. You want to open this? Come on. Can you put it back in there?
Yeah. Got this tap on it.
Now twist it. Yeah, find that little groove.
That
there.
little groove.
Twist it all the way around if you got to.
There you go.
It's in there?
Yep.
Turn the lights on. Turn the lights on. Like Rico loves saying. You don't need it for the key. I mean the lights. Y'all be able to twist the knob. That's the highs or lows? Alright, we good. Turn it on. Crank it up. Turn the highs on. Turn the highs on. Huh? Turn the lows on. We put the wrong bulb in. This one. Alright, so we back. So found out what the issue was with this thing, man. Came in here and spliced the wires, as you can see, and just like I watched the video and they said, the little connecting thing might be burnt out. And that's exactly what's going on with this one. So I'm gonna run to the auto parts store. It's the weekend, and we're gonna get this thing fixed today, man, because we got some block turning to do, and we all can't fit in the coupe. So we'll tap in a minute. I'm gonna show you how we're gonna do this thing. Alright, so yeah, AutoZone, baby. Just grab our stuff.
Truck.
That's the part number.
Excuse me.
We're gonna try that. And we're gonna try these connectors. They spin. And we got a $20 reward today, baby. So, woohoo! Hopefully this works. We ain't gotta come back. Alright. Hooray, hooray.
That's
right.
off of
Get out
Peppa Pig.
Look who I got with me. Always. If you're having trouble like getting this light out here, take them be able to take your headlight out and be able to splice them wires. Do what you need to do. It's a boat right here. A thing here, a thing. And when you pull it back, you'll be able to get to it. So you come right up in here, And it's a boat right there. And you got headlight bolts that go right there. You hold your headlight in there. This is for the bumper. You pull that bumper thing back, and you'll be able to take that bumper out so you can be able to slide the headlight out. Free game. It's much easier when you take the little bumper out there. If you remember where all your stuff is, because you have to put it back, and we can splice this wire. Put these little connectors on it. We're gonna put that part down there. We're gonna put the headlight on it. Right back in a minute. I realize some people might not know what splicing a wire means, so I'm gonna show you what splicing is. Just cutting enough wire exposure to where we got more wire showing. You know what I'm saying? Then you're gonna put that wire black to black. See this black one? See the black one? Black to the black one on your new piece. And then you're gonna slide it right in that little hole there. Just a little hole there. Slide it in there. And you're gonna tighten down on it. Tighten down on it. Tighten down on it. And the same thing with the yellow wire. Gonna cut you a piece out this one. Don't grab it too hard because you'll pinch through your wire. And then you'll be the major your cord short for nothing. Put it in that yellow one. Color with color, black with black. And you're gonna tighten down on it. Tighten it down. Tighten it down. Tighten it down. Hold on, bro. Ran out of electrical tape, so I'm using clear tape just to kill this little piece here. What you got, bro? That should be it, man. As long as this light bulb fit. Oh, well, yeah, we good. And hopefully it does. Let's see what we got. We should have a winner. We should have a winner. We're gonna see. Let me get this light.
Dad, leave up onions up there.
Hold on. I don't know. Hold on. Man, hold on. We back in business, man. Yeah. She ready?